Crude oil yesterday has finally moved towards the targets which we were looking at 74.5 levels. Yes, precisely achieving 74.5. It is reversed and now back to the support zone at 73 levels. Likewise, natural gas has stayed bullish for the day. We have seen it hitting 3.5 with the expectation of extreme winters in US. The natural gas prices have seen a good rise yesterday. Can we expect it to trade bullish? Can we expect it to move beyond 3.6? And what about oil? Can we expect it to move towards 74.5 and bridge the gap towards 75? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and a drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates. The next one will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch this. Now, see what's happening here with oil on the hourly charts. Moving averages, which is stayed bullish, have now started to converge, and now 20 period and 50 period moving averages are providing it a little resistance. Also, if you connect the dots, now I have to wait for it to stay below 72.4 levels. That is the only level below which you can confirm that there is a retracement beginning, and now we can expect 72 or in fact 71 levels here. Right now, if you look at what has happened after a stronger rise, it has erased all the gains, and now you can also notice it is forming a double bottom here. Forming the double bottom, a little rise is seen. So now, if you see it is staying below 72.75 levels, you can take a sell. You can expect 72.4, 72.5 as the first target zone, and below that we may see 72. Else, a recovery and a reversal cannot be denied from the current levels. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is rising on the hourly charts. The MACD, after forming three waves, it is now hit the bottom. A crossover here is what you should look forward to. Right now, it is on the sell side. RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 2 hours, on the 2 hour charts, likewise, you can see a double bottom, and after a series of bearish candles, there is a reversal sign. So now it could start to retrace, but I think it is going to be difficult for it to stay above 74. 74 is the only level above which little bullishness can be considered. And thus, see, because this is a reversal sign, if it stays above 73.2, we can expect it to move towards 73.5, 73.6 at the next targets, and beyond that, then we can look forward to 74. If it stays above 74, that is a reversal. Stochastic rising here. MACD is trading with bearish. RSI has dropped here, which is sign of bearishness on the MACD and RSI. If you look at the 3 hour charts, the observation is similar on the 3 hour charts. Just let it stay above 20 period average here, and then specifically above the median of the Bollinger Bands. So I can see till 73.5, 73.6, very good resistance should be observed by crude oil here. Any movement beyond this, and then you can expect 74, and above 74 is where the bulls are waiting. If you look at the 3 hour charts, moving averages are running parallel as of now. After a strong bull run, see, after a stronger rise, now prices are trading below 20 period moving average. That is a slight bearish sign. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone with a single dip here, while the MACD is crossed over at the top, and it is right now trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. After trading with too much of divergence with the 20 period, now finally prices have come towards to take the support from the 20 period here. Now I'll wait if the direction it wants to take from here, because any drop below 72.7 and 72.4 levels is a clear sign of a move towards 72, and then in fact 71.4, 71.6 the next support zone. Yes, the moving averages are trading with divergence, and these are still bullish. What it may try to do, it can start with a little retracement here, move towards 71, 71.4 levels, and then bounce back. This possibility we should not ignore, but right now I can see it is taking the support from the 20 period. So let it breach below this. That will confirm the further down move. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone. MACD also has crossed over here at the top. This confirms that that oil might try to continue here with slight bearishness before reversing, before bouncing back. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily, and if you look at the daily charts, what has happened? See, first rise, then a stronger retracement, then a stronger rise. So this could be the beginning of the second leg of this retracement here. This is how it has been trading. Every rise is followed with a little retracement. The support levels here at 71.4, 71.6, very strong. 71, the next strong, and then 70 levels. I do not see it breaking below the channel. It means we can see a retracement, but then it can also find a good support here at around 71.4, 71.6. Moving averages after the crossover are staying bullish here, trading with divergence. Look at yesterday's candle. Higher highs are seen. What did we discuss? That it is outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it is going to be difficult for oil to sustain the higher levels, though it can move towards 74.5, 75. What it did, it has achieved 74.5, 75 and has moved downward sharply. Now for the today's candle, it has to stay below 72.8 and 72.4. If you see oil trading below 72.8, 72.4 zone, stay short for 72 and then 71.5, 71.4 zone, which is going to be a critical support zone for the day, and below that a greater correction can be seen. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI at the top. So considering, I will now recommend you to buy at 73.25 levels, but then expect 73.5, 73.6 as a greater resistance, and if it stays above this, you can expect 74 levels. It is only to be treated bullish if it oil trades above 74 levels, then you can say that the bulls are back. Else you have to stay cautious with the buys till 74 levels. Beyond 74, this time it can try to completely fill the gap towards 75, and beyond that 76 level should be seen. But right now it appears it is on the retracement and a reversal journey, so I will recommend you to sell here at 72.75. Expect it to move towards 72.4, 72.5 as the first target, and any drop below 72.4 is a move towards 72 the next, and then 71.4, 71.6. If these three levels are taken, then there is a very strong possibility that 71 or 70 levels should be there very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. Now, when you see natural gas on the hourly chart, see it is finding resilience or resistance at around 3.5 levels. Now, I have mentioned earlier 3.5, 3.54 is a good resistance, then 3.6 levels, and any move beyond 3.6 and 3.7 is a clear sign that now net gas is again trying to move towards $4 levels. So what has happened yesterday? It has started the week on a bullish note with a gap up, and since then it is trading bullish. But yes, there is a wall appears to be there at 3.5, which it needs to break. So I'll wait for it to trade above 3.5. That is the level above which more bullishness should prevail. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is still in green after hitting the bottom. It is trading with little bullishness here. It is converged but not yet crossed over. RSI flat here. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour charts also here, see it is forming a cusp, and I will wait for it to deliver a breakout here beyond 3.4, 3.5, 3.54 zone is where the bulls are waiting, and I will wait for a breakout here. See the moving averages since crossover are trading bearish and have started to converge but not yet crossover. Second thing here is the higher lows and higher highs here. So yes, a flat bot top here, a breakout here is what you should wait for. If you look the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is flat here. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, notice lower highs, then a breakout, a flat base. I'll wait for it to move on the upside. And right now I can see a bit of a struggle here. Any move below 3.44, you can take a selling entry for 3.4 levels, and below 3.4 you can expect 3.36, 3.34. Only remember, only bearishness in natural gas is if you see it trading below 3.34 levels. That is the only level below which you can say that the bears will be active, and then we can look forward to 3.3 and 3.25 zone. Stochastic at the top here. The MACD after the crossover is trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. On the 4 hour charts, when you similar is the observation, you can see a bit of a struggle. At the same time, the support levels are intact, and that is why also I say yes, if you see it is staying below 3.44, that is the point of time we can say that the reversal will be initiated, and then we can look forward to a drop from here. Also notice what has happened. After every drop there is a retracement, after bigger drop bigger retracement. Right now net gas is trading in this bearish channel. So yes, there is slight bearishness here, though a breakout is what I will wait for, because see, in the near term net gas has behaved like this. Every rise is offset with a retracement, and this time hitting the bottom it is trying to bounce back, so it can move towards the top, that is towards 3.8. That is my expectation, and this month can again remain be a bullish month. Stochastic here is overbought. Look at the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to daily chart, on the daily chart, see what has happened here, a flat top and then lower high. So now the next candle when it arrives, and then it has started, once you see it is staying above 3.5 and 3.55 zone, we can say now the bulls are back, and then you can look forward to a recovery. Specifically about 3.6 is where the bulls are waiting. See what it has done with this dip, it has moved towards 50 period and trying to bounce back. However, I'll say it is not yet confirming a complete reversal here. Though the stochastic hitting the oversold zone, it's now looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. But the MACD here is right now trading with modest bearishness. And also notice rise, consolidation, and a breakout whenever it appears, it is going to bring another round of rally here in natural gas prices. The RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 3.5 only, and then you can expect 3.5455. Any move beyond 3.5455 is a good sign for the bulls towards 3.6 and then 3.7 levels in the near future. That is one possibility, but right now I can see a bit of a struggle here on the upside. And if you see it is staying below 3.44, that is the only point of time you can initiate a selling entry. Expect 3.4 levels as the next targets, 3.3634 as the next. Any drop below 3.34 is the only sign of bearishness in the natural gas prices, where 3.3, 3.25 levels should be seen. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.